Hey boys and girls. Okay, so today's lesson is this goes for Thursday, April 23rd. So on Friday, tomorrow, there is no new math lesson. So this is the last one of the week, my last video I'm doing. There'll be no math pages for Friday. There's no must do for reading also. So you can use Friday as a day to catch up on anything you skipped. If you want to try some of those optional activities, you can do that, or just work on Mayan, ST Math, and Imagine Learning, those kind of things. I would like you to do something, but there'll be no new must-dos for reading or for math. So today, though, there is a must-do, and it has to do, again, with place value. But we're not really working on writing our hundreds, tens, and our ones today. We're working on spelling these words out. And that's part of place value, is knowing what those numbers really mean and how to spell them out. So if you go into, you should already be in Google Classroom. That's how you found this video. But also, there's the Google slide with the worksheet pages. But I put a page there that tells you how to spell all of the math words. So if you need to know how to spell 100 or 60 or 85, you can go ahead and look it up on that document that's in the Math Must Do Google Classroom for today. So hopefully that will be helpful to you. So the pages today want you to read the math numbers and then to write the 3-digit number that spells out. And then it gives you the number, the digits, the 3 digits, and then it wants you to write out what numbers does that really mean. So you have to spell it out with the letters. All right, so before we actually solve the ones that are up here, I want to just remind you, we did this a while back, that if we're writing a number like the number 24, I write 20, I write 4. If you didn't know how to spell 20 or 4, again, you can go to that document and look at it. All right, so 24. Do you remember the rule? We put that hyphen. Okay, that hyphen right there. And it comes between the tens and the ones. It doesn't become, if I were to write like 224, I don't put a hyphen here. Can I squeeze that in? 224. The hyphen doesn't go here. It only goes in between the tens and the ones. So let's write another number, like 65. I write 60. I put that hyphen, that little dash, and then I write my 5. Okay, so again, that comes between the tens and the ones. All right, so let's see. I need to read what this says, and then I need to write the 3-digit number. So if you didn't know how to read these big words, you can ask your parents, or you can look at that document and look for the word that starts with the T-W-O and see it'll have a little number next to it. So this is 2, the H, big H word is 100. So we've got, ready? We know we need 3 numbers. We've got 295. Okay, so I write 95. I do not write 295. That's the expanded form. Okay, I know a lot of times I do this lesson, and a lot of kids will come back and say, oh, this is 295. When really, if I were to write that like this, 295, that's really 200,905. So it's really important that you know we're writing 3 digits for each of these. Okay, the next one. Okay, again, I need 3 digits. 480. So I've got 400. Notice there's no hyphen. So I know it's going to have a 0 there, right? Because there's nothing in the ones place there. But 480. And you see the 80, you hear it, 480. And the last one like that, 100. This is 100, and that says 16. Okay, and I write the 16 like that. And yeah, the 6 is in the ones place, the 1 is in the tens place, the 1 is in the hundreds place. Okay, and then the second part of the Google Slide worksheets is going to have you spelling out the math number. So let's see, what number? This is not 538. This is 538. So again, if you didn't know how to spell that word, you'd go and you'd look up how to spell 5, how to spell 100, how to spell 30, and how to spell 8. All right, you can look it right on that document. So 500, that's 500. 38, and there's that hyphen because it's between the 10s and the 1s. Can I squeeze it? I'm going to go going down a little bit. There we go. 538. All right. See, if we were in class using our workbook, I'd say, write small so you can fit it, but we're typing it, and it's always small, so we'll be able to fit it in. All right, the last one here is 340. All right, here we go. I hear 300. Okay, and again, I know how to spell these words, but of course you can look in that document. But look, I didn't know how to spell 100. It's already right here. I could just copy it from there. 340. I don't need that hyphen because there's nothing in the ones place. I just end it like that. 340. All right. So again, tomorrow there is no new video, no math must-dos, no reading must-dos. So you've made it towards the end of the week. Good luck, and make sure you're hitting turn in on all of these assignments so I can see your hard work. Bye-bye.